Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maria and today I'll take you on a journey through one of the most romantic and historic places in England. This path you see right now once led William Shakespeare over 400 years ago to visit the love of his life, Anne Hathaway. This was the place where young William visited Anne countless times. Even today, when you step inside, you can feel the love and peace that seems to flow through every wall. The cottage was built around 1463, over 550 years ago, and it still carries the spirit of those times. Architecturally, this cottage is a perfect example of rural Tudor style. The thatched roof and timber-framed walls are not just beautiful, but also practical for the 15th century. What many people don't know is that some of the stonework and wooden beams you see are original, untouched for centuries. The Hathaway family lived here for 13 generations, almost 400 years, starting from Anne's grandfather, John Hathaway. Can you imagine the same family living in one house for centuries? In 1892, the Shakespeare birthplace trust bought it, and since then it has been preserved as a museum. There is also a fascinating history about the gardens. In the 1920s, famous horticulturist Ellen Wilmot redesigned them. She planted flowers and herbs mentioned in Shakespeare's plays, like rosemary, lavender, and pansies. So the garden itself feels like a living poem, connecting literature and nature. Inside the cottage, you'll find incredible pieces of history. The famous Hathaway bed, the courting settle where couples could sit together under supervision, and even the original kitchen floor from the 16th century are still here. These are not replicas. They are the actual item used by the Hathaway family. So, this was Anne Hathaway's cottage, not just house, but a timeless love story captured in walls, gardens, and memories. Walking through Stratford, you'll notice how medieval and Tudor architecture still lives on. It feels as if the town has decided to stop time, letting us see the same streets Shakespeare once knew. Finally, we arrive at New Place, Shakespeare's last home, where he spent his final years. Today, it's presented as a historic garden filled with artifacts, maps, and treasures related to his life and works. From Anne Hathaway's rustic cottage to the street of Stratford and New Place, this journey has been a bridge between past and present, where love, history, and literature intertwine. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share in the comments which historic or architectural place you'd like to explore next.